Being a member of Living Pain Free is like taking your favorite cozy blanket and wrapping it around yourself. See, even I get emotional thinking about it. And just hold, hold it and know that you're loved and people care and that you're okay. That's what it's like. Hi, I'm Gillian O'Connell. After I retired, I started to have unusual attacks in my body, like rashes and things like that. I was in very bad condition, pain from eyes to feet, every joint, feeling like bee stings all day long. So I went into my email one day. At the top in the promotions section, there was the name Jane Hogan. So I contacted her and joined the group. You know, Jane often says things like, when the student's ready, the teacher will arrive. And that's exactly what happened. I needed and it was given. So I contacted her and joined the group. And it has made huge differences to live life to the best of my ability. Recommending it because for me, taking a holistic approach, having someone to tell the truth to, because the people around you are worried sick about you. And I just sort of was not alone, because certainly tons of support all the time, but lonely for someone to understand. And that's a key factor for me. I needed someone to talk to and someone to listen. And then I discovered that there is a whole world out there of people who can guide, and it certainly has worked for me.